Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. There are several techniques available, but all lead to the same place, the Manage Friendship menu, where you'll find the Delete option. One method, which works even if you haven't recently messaged the person, is to find them in your My Friend list. First, tap your Bitmoji or profile image at the top left. Now, tap My Friends. Search or scroll to the friend you want to delete, and then tap and hold their entry. Tip: note the three-dot menu at the top, which provides an option to view recently added friends. This is helpful for deleting users you may have added by mistake. Now, from the options, select Manage Friendship. Then, tap on Remove Friend. And tap Remove. To unfriend people you've recently snapped with, save time by starting at the chat screen where all your uncleared conversations are held. Deleting a friend you were just chatting with is easiest here. But can you unadd multiple friends on Snapchat at once? No. Snapchat doesn't allow you to remove two or more friends at once. Unfortunately, the process for clearing out your friends list or removing 2, 10, or 20 people from your account is the same. Remove one friend at a time using the steps in this video. The only exception is if you delete your entire Snapchat account. Technically, this is the quickest way to remove all your Snapchat friends at once. But your username, snaps, and chat will also be deleted. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next video.